Hi everyone, I am Dr.D.Princy, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science with Cyber Security, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. In this video, I am going to explain about decision-making statements which are used in Python. Python programming language provides three types of decision-making statements. One is if statements, another one is if-else statements, the third one is nested if statement. Python if statement. The if statement evaluates a condition. If the condition returns true, the if block statement will be executed. It contains a logical expression that compares the values or evaluate the expression. Based on the result, it returns either true or false. The syntax of if statement is if is a keyword followed by a condition or an expression followed by a colon. The set of statement with the indentation. For example, I assigning the value 0 to the discount variable, 1200 to the amount variable. I am going to check the amount with some specific value, amount greater than 1000. Our value stored in the variable amount is 1200. 1200 is greater than 1000, so the condition evaluates as true. Then the followed statement, the block of the if statement will be executed. Discount equal to amount into 10 divided by 100. So the amount is 1200 into 10 divided by 100 is 1080. The output of this program is 1080. If else statement. In the previous example, if the condition true only, there is a statement to be executed. When the condition becomes false, there is no statement. To evaluate that in that situations, to display some statement in that situation, we have to go for the if-else statement. If-else statement is a two-part. When this is the syntax, if Boolean expression, code block to be executed when the Boolean expression is true, then else followed by a colon, the set of statement to be executed when the condition becomes false. Example, I am assigning 25 to the variable age, print age. First I am just displaying the age, then I am comparing that age with whether the person is eligible to vote or not. So I am comparing the value of the age variable with the comparison operator with the 18. Age greater than or equal to 18 means that person is eligible to vote. If they are their age is below 18 means they are not eligible. So it comes to the else part. So as per our value, age is 25. The if block one will be executed. The result is eligible to vote. Python if elif else statement. Python provides if elif else control statement. It is also a part of decision making statement. It contains three parts. The first part is if, the second part is if elif, third one is else block. If else part we have already seen in the previous slide. So what is the meaning and purpose of the elif part means when the condition becomes false, if we want to check with another condition, we use that part. Generally, when the condition becomes true, we are comparing with another condition, that is called as the nested if. When the condition becomes false, if you want to apply multiple conditions, when the condition becomes false means you go with the elif part. The similar to the else block, the elif block is also optional. If you want, we can include in this. The syntax of this if elif else statement is if expression 1, the condition for the true block, elif expression 2, if the condition becomes false, it comes to this part. Here I am comparing with the another condition. If it is true, this part will be executed. Otherwise, we go for the another condition. Like that, we can include any number of elif parts. If all the condition becomes false, the final part, else part will be executed. This is an example. Amount equal to 2500. I just print the amount. If amount is greater than 10,000, it calculates the discount with multiply with the with the value 20. If the amount is greater than 5,000, multiply the amount with the 10. If the amount is greater than 1000, it multiplies the value with 5. If the amount is less than 1000, it comes to the else part, that no, there is no discount. So now we will see the output of this program. Amount is 2500. The first if becomes false, it goes to the elif part. This condition is also become false, it goes to the second elif part. Here the condition becomes true, so the discount is amount into 5 divided by 100. 2500 into 5 divided by 100 is 25 into 5, 2375. That will be the discount amount for the amount.